So here we go. Got a 2022 Ford Mustang 5.0. It's got some really bad curb rash right there. The rim does not look bad, just that one spot is gouged. It's pretty good. So we're gonna make it look good as new and put it back on the lot. All right, so it looks really good, and so here is the repair. Maybe hard to see on camera. There, it is a little wavy, I'll be honest, if you can't see it. But for me, because it's so far up on the edge, I feel that if I feel that first time a tire change, that's just gonna pop out. I'm pretty confident I can blend it to where a customer will never see, and it'll be out of sight, out of mind. So let's get my deck of cards out and we'll start painting. All right, so I've got my deck of cards on. And my spot I'm fixing is right here. And you can see I sanded way past that. Although I'm not gonna paint all that, you do want to make sure you scuff it in enough that your paint takes. Now I'm not going to just try to coat this on there as heavy as I can. I'm just going to blend it. This is my secret sauce that I use. I've got a video called Oops, the Secret's Out if you want to know what that is. So I'm just going to blend. I'm really going to shoot more up toward the cards than I am the rim. So now I take some lacquer thinner on a blue lint-free paper towel and the rest of that overspray. Let's get that off very gently and easy. Take your time. It's fun doing this and just watching the rim come back to life as you fix all these little spots, get all the overspray off. It's awesome. I tell everybody I'm just fixing a broken picture. I'm making all the bad go away and making it look good as new. So one more time, let's wipe it down. Now you do want to wipe this down, not with lacquer thinner. The silver itself will have a little bit of metallic in it, and you want to wipe as much of that off of the overspray. Just be gentle, let it dry in real good. Tell you what, a couple of coats of clear coat, we're going to be looking good. And here is our final step. Got some clear coat. There you have it, friends. Now she's good as new and ready for the lot.